We must view the substantial investment in railway as a worthy investment to underpin the regional economic agenda. An economy only ever thrives on the foundation of proper infrastructure.
We are on the homestretch. The finishing line is within sight. The pace has been steady and the team dedicated. The track has been laid and the locomotives are doing test runs. More locomotives, wagons, coaches, cranes and associated equipment continue to stream into the country. Everyone and everything is in a race and all is being set towards D-Day, 1st of June 2017, the date set for the operationalization of the standard gauge railway.
So come 1st of June, the date that we have undertaken to make the project ready, we should be ready to run the first train. And this then will be the time that the operator will commence, will take over, and then commence what we call trial operations.
The Standard Gauge Railway, East Africa's most single largest mega project, having been initiated on 12th December 2014, is due to be completed in the coming less than 2 months and is on schedule.
It will be a landmark project. I can assure you that China Road and Bridge Corporation will complete the project on time and by high standard.
The Standard Gauge Railway is set to transform Kenya's transportation network through faster travel times between locations along the Northern Corridor Belt and the environs. Mombasa port will sigh with relief as cargo is evacuated faster and business will have a reliable and efficient transportation of cargo. The single-line track was laid. Magnificent architectural feats in the construction of the super bridges and underpasses were achieved, and freight marshalling and exchange, passenger and cross stations have been erected along the route. The project is currently at the train's testing phase in order to ensure that the train operations shall run as smoothly as envisaged once they commence. The trail runs are giving encouraging results as engineers travelled from Nairobi to Mombasa with 4 hours 20 minutes and back to Nairobi within 4 hours 15 minutes, which is well within the planned duration of 4.5 to 5 hours for the Mombasa-Nairobi paired intercity trains. Factories in China producing rolling stock are being meticulously engaged for both quality and timely deliveries through the Standard Gauge Railway team in factory visits to China. Also, the installed ICT will be thoroughly scrutinized and tested by the Chinese Academy of Railway Sciences, which is a critical and crucial aspect in the operationalization of the SGR.
This team will also participate in the home stretch of our confirming that the railway we have done it to the highest standards, is equivalent of the Institute of Engineers of Kenya or even the Engineers Board of Kenya. But they will double check the work we have done and ensure that the railway we have done meets also the standards of the operations.
We will collect a huge amount of data during our inspection and testing, and also we will include most of this data in our testing report. We will submit this testing report to the owner, to Kenya, and you can refer to this data maybe for your future maintenance and repair programs or any improvement or optimization program.
Apart from construction of the civil works and supply and installation of facilities, locomotives and rolling stock, a Kenyan human capital aspect of the SGR is being readied and is taking shape through the undertaking of capacity building during the project period. The capacity building was motivated by the need to impart knowledge on the workforce in the following railway works spheres: concept, detailed design, design review, construction supervision and operation, and maintenance. Among the parties involved in the capacity building, there is a group of 60 engineering students pursuing undergraduate studies at Beijing Jiatong University.
It's good that we are here. In that degree, I'm learning it's railway signaling and traffic control.
This Beijing Jiatong University is so helpful. It's providing us with the equipment we need. They are exposing us to the equipment. So I think it's so much beneficial.
At the Railway Training Institute and a host of others on the job training. This build-up will continue well after the 1st of June, and Kenya's SGR is now a reality. Given the level of dedication and diligence put in by the Standard Gauge Railway project team, delivery within the set timeline is surely guaranteed. And not only shall the Standard Gauge Railway project be delivered on time, it shall be to the high standards established by Kenya Railways and expected by the Kenyan public.
Come 1st of June, we expect that our locomotives, our coaches, our wagons, the entire network will be safe, secure and efficient to move our cargo and to move our passengers in line with what we initiated to do 2.5 years ago.
Therefore, as phase 1 of the Standard Gauge Railway project starts to wind up, the expectations and hopes of the Kenyan public have never been higher. And because of the commitment shown by all the parties involved in the project, we couldn't be more prepared to meet those expectations. See you in June 2017.